but my husband is struggling with making the fire, so it's kind of creepy outside, they're not gonna lie. We're here in Utah and we're gonna camp for the very first time. This is a free camping spot and I'm so excited. We found literally the perfect spot. So let's figure out how to set up this tent. Okay, we already set up the tent, but my husband is struggling with making the fire, so we need to find some like husk or dry stuff, some fire starters. We're looking for stuff that's like really dry like this. This is perfect. This is perfect. Okay, we're gonna give him all of this and hopefully he can start the fire soon because the sun will set soon. Here you go.
Thanks. Oh, that's good. Like, it's getting really good. Like, it just needs one little spark to catch. Oh, you found good this.
Not a good hatchet. We finally made a fire, so we're technically ready to start eating and finally relax. So we went to Diamond Fork where there's actually free camping, and I think it's the only free camping that there is near Salt Lake City. We actually saw wild turkeys also, and I think a ferret, which is kind of insane. But we're feeling so happy to be out here in nature. It's located right beside a stream. I tried to fish actually, but I don't think it's working. So the night has set and we're just here chilling inside the tent. It's honestly so cozy. The temperature is just right. It's kind of creepy outside, they're not gonna lie. And how are you feeling, Alex? How are you feeling, Alex? Alex? Okay, we just woke up and we already have our fire started. It's been like the worst night of our lives because every little sound you can hear it and you think the worst is gonna happen, right? And for my first time, like, this was like really bad. I literally had like 4 hours of sleep. I don't think I would do this again unless I bring like a group of friends because it's scary. It was really scary. Well, it's currently 7:43, so it's time to take up this and put it down already and get ready to leave. Alright, we're ready to leave. Everything's packed up, and now we're gonna head over to some hot springs and go on a few hikes. Parking lot is like so full. I think we parked like 3 miles from the actual parking, from the actual like where it starts the trail. So we're gonna have to hike down the road.